Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to take this piece of unfinished wood from Dollar Tree. I'm going to give the front half a couple of coats of white paint. I just used acrylic paint, and then I'm just going to let that fully dry. I ended up doing 2 coats so that the wood doesn't show back through. You can use chalk paint. That's totally up to you. I just prefer using acrylic. Once I have that all painted and it's fully dry, I'm going to take some black paint and I'm going to do the edges and the back. So I'm just going to take and do along the edges and then do the whole back with the black paint. And I'm just trying to make sure that I don't get any on that white. If I do, I'll just touch it up with some white paint. I'm just kind of going along the edges, the top, and the sides and the bottom, and like I said, the whole back. I did do with the black as well. Once that's fully painted and dry, I'm going to take a coat of Mod Podge. I'm going to run that along the front of it, and I'm going to let that dry completely. Then I'm going to take this napkin that was in my napkin bundles. I'm going to lay that right on the front of the wood. Just kind of line it up and decide where I want it. Then I'm going to lay down a piece of parchment paper, and then I'm going to iron that on. I get a lot of questions about my iron. It's a regular iron. It's just travel sized. And I use high heat with no steam. And I'm just going to iron that until it's fully adhered. Go over it a bunch, make sure that there's no wrinkles. And then once I have that all ironed on, I'm going to let it cool for a second, and then I'm going to sand off the excess with a sander. Once I have it all sanded, I'm going to take some greenery that I had on hand, and I just cut a couple of picks apart. And I'm going to glue some of that to the top. So I'm going to start with these bigger pieces. I'm going to glue those into place on either side. And then I had a couple of smaller pieces of greenery. I'm going to add those to the top of that. I'm just going to kind of layer a little bit of it. So just lay that right on top of this one. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then I had these white berries. I'm going to add those at the top as well. I'm just going to kind of shove those on either side and grab some of that glue that I already had on there. And then I am going to take this bow that I made out of a blue velvet ribbon. And I think I got this ribbon at Hobby Lobby. If not, it was Michael's. Just kind of arrange that at the top. And then once I have that attached, I'm going to take this small pine cone and I'm going to add that to the center of the ribbon. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue down and add that on. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. I love the woodland look of it. I love the polar bear on it, and I think it's adorable. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.